If you're shopping for a toy that delivers excitement, style, and creativity all in one, the L.O.L Surprise Bronze to Blonde Billie is a total win for kids 4 and up. Unboxing this is part of the fun. Inside, you get over 20 surprises, including a full styling head and Billie herself with two totally different looks. Her mix and match style means you can swap her hair and accessories to go from bold bronze to platinum blonde in seconds. The included outfits are colorful and trendy, and the doll's articulated arms make it easy to pose her for display or play. It's all about self expression with tons of pieces to personalize her style again and again. If you're looking for a gift that keeps kids entertained with fashion, creativity, and surprise elements, this one really delivers.